Gandu.
You have taught it to say Gandu. That means that volcano is active, and that's mind-boggling. Extreme kind of shit. Warmed up. 5:05. Wow. Again, we have woken up at 3 o'clock, 3:30, and on our way. I'll show you where we're going. No, you'll keep
Anyway.
looking there. And
Hey everyone. So this will be my first vlog. People
not
of
like
my
that.
age, my
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of my age, welcome back to our vlog. Let's do this. What is this?
and we are heading towards Spain today.
These two beautiful couple that you see behind me, they are our friends. His name is Uz and that's Selene. They're from Turkey and in Germany for how many? Gone a lot of times in Germany, but like international, very first time. First time for everything. But yeah, so far so good. And gonna see a lot of these. And there's one more joining us from different city. But we'll meet her directly in Tenerife.
That's not where we are going.
5 hours of this seating and now finally we're there. That's what you saw. That's where we're going. Middle of the sea, middle of the Atlantic. After amazing flight, waiting, getting our baggage, we're back now. 5th member is with us. That's there. That's HM. Sorry, we're doing the intro again because I had to. We're getting a car. Show them the licenses. गाड़ी ले रहे भाड़े का. Nice. These two are drivers. Schumacher and Hamilton. How was your first driving experience?
This car is really huge in the back.
And Pari, congrats. You drove really well. I'm happy. License is worth it for me. Now look at this view behind you guys. Woo. Welcome to Tenerife. I bet you could, I don't think you guys can see it, but there's people paragliding there. Alright, let us show the... Yes. Oh, wow.
Oh my god, this is really beautiful. I love it.
You can see the whole island behind us. Now we're going to change and we're going to head out again in the evening. We're going to rest for a while because we're tired and we are... So yeah, see you guys in a few minutes or hours. The type and the style of restaurants there reminds us of home. You know, typically walk into a beach and we saw Asian restaurants, we saw Indian restaurants also. And look at this. It's all like typical beachy stuff. Anyone wants to buy slippers, they can buy them. I want your reaction for something. Come here.
Oh wait. Okay, this is a famous drink which we get in India. It's like a...
It's a beginner's alcohol for everyone. If you are new to drinking, if you are 16 years old, it's a flavored.
And it's amazing. It's
flavored-
Like alcohol, but also this.
You like it? Let's go. I bought this thing. It's apparently energy drink. Cheers, bhai.
Cheers.
Let's open this shit.
But it will hit. Bacardi, there is another one. I think how much percentage? 4%.
ORS got a glow up with soda in it.
Sure.
Exactly how it tastes like.
Welcome to Tenerife, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is just the first day. There are 4 more to go, and I already have like 20 videos. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it, but I think I'm gonna end this today, right here, right now, and I'm going to. driver number 2 gonna drive today. How are you feeling, Echan? How's the feeling? Are you ready to drive?
30 minutes.
Yesterday this girl drove.
I'm excited to sit peacefully.
Oh,
While Hajim is stressed. Wow, do you see it in my face? I'm so happy.
We can.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
we
can
can.
see that.
We're on our way to Maska village now, and on the way to the Maska village there's a beautiful viewpoint that you can stop and enjoy the view from. That's our car behind. Right behind me. Almost like a single lane road that you can see, and our brave drivers are driving on this road. Wow, amazing. There's another viewpoint down there, guys. We should wait. Hang on. Let's go. The village we are here for, the way where we're struggling to drive so much is here. Look right here.
Maska village.
इतना drive मेहनत करने के बाद it's a very small village in the mountains, and we have made it. Let me show you guys. It reminds me of the time when I went to Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, northeast, where you have to drive in the mountains, narrow roads, you know, and beautiful walkway along this road in the village. And we had to park our car somewhere there outside because there was absolutely no parking. And this is the view. Really amazing. Yeah. Cactuses. That's still amusing. You know, all these are cactuses. You see that? Also behind me. All these are cactuses. Whole day you were outside in that village, as you saw. We came back from there, we went on a beach, these guys swam, we played football, and we are dead tired now. We're gonna have some dinner and call it a day, and that is the end of day 2.
Pero ella nunca engorda. Pero ella nunca engorda.
Cheers to making Shonak drink again.
It's a kinderpunsch. It's
Lot of good fish.
Local fish, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We have ordered local fish, we have ordered grilled prawns,
Grilled prawns
paella, we have ordered
and
paella.
tomato salad for Shonak.
That's because I wanted it. Let's go. We served a little bit already, but that's squid ink paella with prawns and a lot of seafood. Maybe squid calamari. Fish. इसके पहले 4 डिश पहिले खाया, वो देख लेगा तुम्ही ऑनेस्टली. तब्येतीत पायला दाबल्यानंतर आणि मासे खाल्ल्यानंतर आता पब्लिकली मस्त डेझर्ट मागवले.
White chocolate soup with mojito. What was
Ice
it?
cream.
Ice cream, yes.
Mojito ice cream. So it has alcohol in it. She has ordered the same thing, and she has ordered what looks like a, what was it? I forgot. Goksa. It looks like a creme brulee. Goksa. We have made it to a city center, posh neighborhood, but it's a Sunday.
We can only see, but we cannot touch.
Because the shops are fucking closed, man. It's so annoying. This is the capital of this island. We drove here for 40 minutes, playing some good songs, and now we're gonna look around and show you around too. भारतात फिरताना जेव्हा देवस्थान येतं तेव्हा नक्की जातो, तसं आपण इकडे एका देवस्थानात जाऊ. It's a church.
Kandu.
You have taught him to say Gandu. He says it everywhere. My God. peaches, apples, tomatoes, papayas. Public has taken everything possible. Look, show the dragon
We
fruits.
don't know what is it.
Oh my god. This
Looks really nice.
This is cool. Crazy. And we're gonna eat it at the beach. Right, Uz?
Yes, we enjoy the life.
Enjoy. Enjoy life. Damn, that's huge. We made it to some local. This was the downstairs for the market. Very loud. Smells like fish. There are also crabs behind. What is the crabs there? Fresh food, guys. I think you select your fish and they make it for you live in front of you.
Stays green, okay?
Damn, thank you.
All yolk is made from Korea.
Thank you so much. Thank you, man. I forgot to record it. It's 8:30 already, but no, forget about Tandoor.
Yeah. It's really fresh.
It's hot, okay?
Okay, gracias.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Different kind of pie, though this is with the pasta and not rice, right?
It is small.
Small, long, it looks like almost long rice, but it's nice. After that wonderful hearty meal, we have made our way to the beach here. Taking our stuff to go in the water. The fun part is I really want to pee, so.
So, the sun is shining and we are here in Santa Cruz.
It's cold though.
We have an amazing beach here and it's a black sand beach. So, and oh my god, I hope I don't fall. I hope I don't. Sorry guys, that's a man error. Ooh. And Sonak is pretending to have fun yet. How salty do you rate this water?
It will be sweeter if you come.
Hi dear, my dear colleague. I am going.
No, come no.
I am having fun. Let me have fun.
Oh shit, sorry. Yesterday we guys came back, we cooked, we did a house party and we're cooking again for taking our lunches on top of a mountain. Welcome to day 4, fuck it's day 4 already, where we're cooking our own meals so that we can take them on top of volcano, which is the highest peak of Spain, ironically, which is not in the mainland. Just packing the bread sandwiches, professional lineup.
They are ready.
The guys are doing the work, girls are sleeping upstairs and downstairs. But hey, it's 2025. We don't say that.
Papaya's current breakfast is ready.
Point is, guys, we're heading out again. We're going to a volcano, and this lady cannot be an influencer because she's too fucking formal for it. Don't go back. What are you eating? Wow,
seeds,
chia seeds,
banana.
banana. Anyway, good. But they're huge rocks that I think are formed because of the lava when it goes down. Looks amazing, very different, and different kinds of fauna and flora also, which is impressive. And I think you'll see more when you go up there anyway. Finally out of the car. Mount Teide, Chappaithashi, on the foothills of the Mount Teide we are. This is the cable car gondola. station behind us. We have to walk all the way up there. Look at these volcanic rocks that came probably from there. Years ago, it must have erupted and laid all this landscape. You can see how maybe the lava which erupted years ago, it came down the mountain and it hardened there, or went cold there. As you can see it on this side and also on this side, the darker colored ones, the most recent rock formations. Crazy. In person right now here it looks even better, honestly. I found a good spot. I can speak in front of it.
Anyway, we found an igneous stone.
Not the entire thing is igneous. But
Well, and it's really lightweight. The
Like the
density of
valley
this is
behind
so
us.
low that I could hit Shonak and it could bounce back
like
to
this,
me.
like this.
Okay, enough.
And I drove us here.
We were there on that mountain, walked all the way around and made it here to the point.
I make the selfie.
All the trail has led us to this viewpoint kind of place where you can see the map and this view.
Yeah, we were not laughing anymore because we were like.
On top of the mountain there you can see fumes coming out of the hill. That means this is Paro. Never mind. You can see the fumes. That means that volcano is active. Yeah. Crazy. The god name is Huayuta, and the people living back then, the tribes used to climb the mountain just to pray to the god so that they don't, anger him. Every natural calamity or natural event has their superstitions behind it, and you can see that here. They have cartoonized everything. It's very cool actually, I like it. See that? Ambi sare khawaiye. Good morning. Breakfast table set होते चहा येणार आहे. आता ड्रॅगन फ्रूट आलेला आहे आपल्याकडे. ड्रॅगन फ्रूट इज इन द हाउस. व्हाईट ड्रॅगन फ्रूट. Oh, royalty. Welcome back to day 4, guys. After our mountain trip yesterday, my battery died on the trip, so I couldn't really record anything else. After we came back, but nothing much. We went to the beach again. It was a very fun experience to go from the mountain top, from a volcano to the beach, Now it's the last day of the trip, last leg, and today we are going to a fucking water park. Because why not? It's one of the best they say in the world. It's on this island. And it's called CM Park, and we're gonna visit it in a few hours. Okay, finally full table, let's go. Here we are. Woo-hoo. And of course my main favorite thing to drink.
This is my Sunday breakfast.
Oh. Choti chaddi everyone's wearing, and we're ready. And I'm looking like a fucking brown t-shirt, blue pant, yellow shoes.
And I'm looking like I'm going to school now.
And tennis outfit he's wearing. Look at this guy. This guy's the most decent. CM Park. Let's go. Outfit check. We made it with a lot of difficulty, to say the least. We made it, but yeah.
We made it to the top. We have still not got into the right.
It's cool. It's
Not
fucking
even
cool.
cool. He's just pretending too much.
Oh my god, we did 2 rides. I was not
There's
sure.
dolphin.
That's a killer whale.
Okay.
Let's try.
Let's go, man. Oh my god, we just saw
Look
there
at that.
manta ray. There is huge fish. The pomfret fish. Just kidding.
Oh, let's try. Oh,
Woohoo, Shonak! Oh. Ooh, I can see who's legs. Ooh, landing. I think.
Boring part of it is climbing the staircase.
And
with
also
the,
look,
with,
Shonak. And he's making this girl to carry this. And now he's
I am trying to be.
vlogging and coming like a hero.
I'm trying to be an influencer here. I'm gonna shut off the camera, go up and take this tube from her. Let's go. Ready, buddy? You decide. Go ahead. Let me climb at least first. Water park. Woohoo! It's 5 p.m. We could not record most of the rides, but we are done playing in the water park. Wow, it must be amazing seeing me with the sun. Anyway,
Oh my god.
And,
tattoo he has.
yeah, we're done with the camera was not allowed on most of the rides, and we were just enjoying the time to ourselves. So whatever you saw, that was it. And now this is last evening on this beautiful island, and we are going to enjoy it with a nice meal. And let's see where it takes us. Maybe we see the sunset or the sea again. But that's it from the water park.
22.
People bringing you food. What else you need, man? What else you need in life?
This is a lot for one.
Trying to break.
How does
Can't speak. Speechless. Ooh.
Brownie, pistachio, coconut.
Oh my god. Wow, you took 3.
Yes,
Wait, I
we
want
were
pistachio.
actually able to till 4, but
It's fresh as fuck. I tried the coconut anyway.
Shonak, is it the shredded one? Is it the brownie?
I want one.
We are here at the final stop right before we head back to the airport, and I fashionably forgot my GoPro in the car, so I'll be recording the outro right here. Overall, a very good trip. Moose, what do you think? What do you say? How was your?
I don't want to go back.
Of course we don't.
It's amazing.
Look at her. Princess is sitting with the amazing view.
I want more of this.
Yeah, and we have our a flight in 3 hours now. But amazing trip, beautiful location, island vibes. Yeah, nothing more to say. If you're watching it till here, thank you so much. Also, wow, amazing job watching it till here because I know it's gonna be a long video. Celine, you're the only one left. We are one member less, but how was your experience with the trip?
Great.
Amazing. Absolutely recommended to anyone who wants to visit Tenerife. If you're thinking of taking a vacation, do it. You probably deserve it. Bye bye. Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mage Gahe Tava Jaya Gata. It gets better. Janagana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He